How to make USB pen drive bootable. Use DiskPart tool for making USB as a bootable device. Step 1. Insert your USB flash drive to your running computer. Step 2. Run command prompt as administrator. To do this, we need to find CMD by typing CMD in the search box on the Windows Start menu. Step 3. After search result for CMD appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Step 4. Type DiskPart on command prompt without quotes and hit enter. Wait for a while until the DiskPart program run. Step 5. Type list disk to view active disk on your computer and press enter. There would be seen that the active disk shown as disk 0 for hard drive and disk 1 for your USB flash drive with its total capacity. If your computer has multiple hard drives, try to match the capacity of the pen drive and select the disk appropriately. Step 6. Type select disk 1 to determine the disk 1 would be processed in the next step. Then press enter key. Step 7. Type clean and press enter to remove all data in the drive. Here, if you are converting your USB into a bootable device, all the data in the device must be erased. So, do have a backup of the pen drive before entering into this process. Step 8. Type create partition primary and then enter. Creating a primary partition and further recognized by Windows as partition 1. Step 9. Type select partition 1 and press enter. Choosing the partition 1 is for setting up it as an active partition. Step 10. Type active and press enter for activating current partition. Step 11. Type format fs equal to ntfs quick and press enter to format current partition as ntfs file system quickly. Step 12. Type exit and press enter. That will cause leaving DiskPart program. Do not close the command prompt. Instead, we would still need it for next process. Now your USB is bootable. And that's how it is done.